with another YouTube video. I figured I would start a vlog because it's Tuesday, December 5th, I think. And I took off of work today just because I had some things to do. So I just was over it. So I took off, and I've really been doing stuff all day, which I guess I should have taken y'all with me, but I've just been zipping in and out. I'm actually about to go to Burlington because I haven't been in Burlington this holiday season. So let's go into Burlington, and then if I go anywhere else, I'll take y'all. If not, I'll pick up another day. I think this weekend, hubby and I are going to one of the big malls here, like an outdoor mall, to see all the Christmas decor. And there's something else. There's a few other things. I don't know. I can't think of it right now. But as the week unfolds, I will take y'all along with us. So welcome to the vlog. Also, y'all, I got a Stanley Cup. And I also have that other pink, like, Stanley Cup dupe. And the verdict is in. I really can't tell a difference. So if you're between the Stanley Cup and the Stanley Cup dupe that all the influencers talk about, you could do the dupe. It does the same thing. Y'all, I love Burlington. I hate that I haven't been here this holiday season. I actually haven't been to Burlington in a while. The main reason why is, y'all, the checkout line is usually way to the back of the building, and I don't want to wait for an hour. So I was glad to go in there. They had so many cute things right when I walked in that I was like, you don't need it, you don't need it. But I thought they were all very, very cute. If y'all can recall some of my previous videos, I tell y'all the main reason why I like Burlington is because I can find cheaper things like face mists and all kinds of gift sets for the holidays. And as y'all know, I have very, very, very sensitive skin. So I'm not in my invest in skincare era until I can figure out what my skin can tolerate and what it cannot. So half the time I'm just using water or a very, very gentle Neutrogena cleanser. But like I said, in here I can find a lot of other little things that I can use for my face, like these facial cleansing pads, as well as like witch hazel, just other things that are not as strong and won't agitate my skin. Last year in October, I was really ready to start investing in my skincare, so I went to the dermatologist, and I don't know if y'all remember, but what they gave me ended up having me in hives for like 3 weeks. So yeah. Good morning, y'all. I'm running into the grocery store before work because I have to pick up like a cheese tray for this tree trimming event we're about to have. So let's go. Work, it's almost 7. I usually get to work around 6:30, but I had to make a pit stop. And then if I can get images of the tree trimming, I will. See y'all later. Hey y'all, so I made it to work and I wanted to quickly show y'all what everything looked like before we started decorating. This is in the main lobby area and it is huge. I want to say it's like 16 to 18 foot. The next tree you're going to see is in our employee cafeteria. So, love it. So far, so good today. The trees look good. Can't wait to decorate. Hey y'all, so it's been a few hours. We had a huge catered lunch and a potluck. And so we just ate and ate and ate. And then we took the next hour to decorate both trees. We had a blast. They played Christmas music. It was pretty spectacular. This is what the main tree looked like when we were all done. I didn't get a final look of the other tree, but it also turned out cute. Hey y'all, it is a lot later in the day and I am almost home from work. Y'all, it's taken me 2 hours. I had to make a quick pit stop and it threw everything off, but And don't judge me, y'all. I actually wore the same thing that I wore yesterday while I was out because I didn't go to work. You ever have those moments where you're like, not enough people saw me in this outfit? But anywho, so our company catered lunch for us today, which was great. So we have a good amount of food for dinner, and I'm excited about it. So like I said, y'all, it is it's 5:40. It's not late, but it's almost dark. So I'm excited to get home to see my husband and our pup. Just about to take a shower. We're gonna snuggle up and eat some good food, and tomorrow is my last day in the office. And then I told you he and I are probably gonna go to the mall this weekend to just enjoy the ambiance and then go out to dinner. And then Monday I am on a work trip to, I think we're flying into Tennessee, but technically we're going to Kentucky. So and that's all, y'all. See y'all soon, or in a few days. Good morning, y'all, and happy Thursday. Giving y'all a little OOTD. I went with red. Little did I know I was going to end up being a model for a marketing photo shoot we had on site today. But OOTD. Hey, y'all. I am home from work. It's 3:30. It's been quite the busy day. I had to leave work a little early because I had an appointment. So I am still plugged up and just kind of periodically checking my emails. But I'm about to bake some homemade cookies and then take a shower and be done. We were having like professional photo shoots taken today at our company. So all these props were set up. They hired models to come in and just really get like amazing pictures of this brand new building that we have. And I got pulled in to model and act as I was conducting meetings in some of our large conference rooms. So that was unexpected and interesting, but it was pretty cool. So I was Donna, the model extraordinaire today, So it's been a good day though, just very busy. I'm looking forward to tomorrow and then Saturday and Sunday with hubby before I leave out next week. And next week's gonna be another really busy week. Then after that, we should be kind of on countdown to Christmas. Hubby and I are gonna take off the whole week of Christmas and just ready to take it easy. So I'll check back in with y'all, I'm sure, tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. Happy Friday. Just got home from Orange Theory. It's like 6:20. I sat in the car for a little while because I'm pooped. I haven't been to Orange Theory in a good week and a half, if not 2 weeks. Once Thanksgiving ended, I went the day after Thanksgiving, and then I think I went the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and then I've just been like, it's been busy. So good morning, it's Friday. I'm about to take a shower. My workday starts at 7 a.m. But before I do that, let me show you something. Okay, so you ladies may not remember this, but in our moving video, I was telling y'all I had all of these candles like full of wax that I couldn't really burn anymore. They had gotten low. And so this is not your traditional way to do this, but I have a wax warmer. So that's what I did or wax melter, wax warmer to still get the scent from it. But at the apartment, I was telling myself once I got to the house, I would either buy a kit or once I let this sit on the warmer, you know, for the hours and it melts, I am going to use some of my pretty jars and make candles. So, hold on, it's kind of dark. So that's what I'm doing. And then I bought this kit as well from Amazon. Different lengths because I have, one of the ones I have is like a legit tall jar. So full of just wax. So I will be doing this kind of slowly over the weekend and repurposing all these beautiful containers that I have. Even this silver one, I'll do the silver one. It'll probably be enough to fill these 4. Okay, y'all, so I've kind of checked my emails and now I'm gonna go take a shower and take on the day. This is my favorite time of morning, y'all, where it is just before sunrise. It's dusk dark in the house. Just have that moment to yourself. Everything's aglow. It's my favorite. My absolute favorite. Also, before I for real go take a shower, I've also had 2 candles that did have wicks. So I'm going to let those burn and get waxy on their own and then pour them into, I don't know if y'all can see, I've set up. I've got 3 set up. This bed is a mess. And my husband's also under the weather. So this is all about to get washed, which means what's in the dryer needs to come out and be put up. What's in the washer needs to go in the dryer. So laundry is going to be a big thing today too. Okay, y'all, so I am setting my washer up on the sanitized setting so that we can really get everything clean. And we are going to get these clothes washed. And I figured I would go ahead and start filling up my containers because I haven't done a restock or refresh since we've been in the house. Y'all, I love my laundry room so much, but we do have some fun updates that will be coming probably next year. If not, we'll see. Most importantly, I'm just so excited to have a nice, spacious laundry room. Y'all, I love this room. My next restock was for our dryer sheets. Again, y'all, my mother-in-law comes in clutch every time and she keeps us filled with all the things that we'll need. So I've got back stock for all of these things and I'm glad about it. After I did the dryer sheets, I realized my bleach was completely empty. So I went ahead and filled that up. And now I know I probably need to get more bleach from her the next time she asks what we need, because this is our last container of bleach. This is how my little restock looks. As I am noticing, I definitely need more laundry pods. So when my mother-in-law calls, I will let her know we need more laundry pods and probably some more softener. And then I have plenty of detergent, so I technically don't need the laundry pods, but we'll see. Moving back into my candle making, I had a little bit more wax to melt, so I went ahead and filled up some more of my candles. And y'all, the house smells so good right now because the combination of the gingerbread, vanilla, snickerdoodle, warm pecan maple, all of those different candles, they smell so good. I'll let y'all see the finished product. Okay, y'all, it is now 10 a.m. We've got 1 candle made. Let's light it up and see what we get. Amazing. Nice. Good morning, y'all, and happy Saturday. It is 7 a.m. and as y'all know, this is my favorite time of morning. So I came in here, got everything nice and glowy, and y'all check out my candle that I made yesterday. It's holding strong. I should have done 3 wicks, but it is holding strong. So I was making my way into the kitchen, pulling out some of the things that we're going to need for breakfast. We still have soda here from Thanksgiving that my husband's grandparents bought. We don't drink soda, so trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. But I cleaned out the fridge, and now I am about to restock our little coffee station. As I've told y'all in a few previous videos, I typically pick up my coffee from the Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Ross, places like that, just because it's a lot more affordable. But this flavor is pretty good. We like it. after I got everything restocked, of course, I had to make myself a cup of joe. And I don't know that I showed y'all this update. I almost need to redo my home tour for Christmas because I've added so much. But I did want to show y'all that I added this garland around the mirror. If you do recall, this garland was on the staircase. I bought new garland for the staircase and added this for the mirror. And I had these 2 bells from my first home that I happened to find rummaging through my Christmas decor. And I thought it complemented this garland perfectly. So I used a little command hook for that. Now I'm giving y'all a quick glimpse of the refrigerator. As I said, I pretty much cleaned out everything because hubby and I are going to be going to get groceries today. Now it is time for breakfast. It's going to be the usual pancakes for my hubster, and then we do like a combination of egg and egg white and bacon and fruit. So that's going to be breakfast. Of course, hubby's pancakes the way he likes them made. And then I had my egg white, bacon, and then I had a side of fruit with that with my yummy coffee. And it was so good, y'all. So good. Time to get ready for Orange Theory. Hey, y'all. I just finished with my Orange Theory workout. And we are doing a blast from the past. I am going to do a little walk in this park that y'all know I love so much. I pretty much haven't been here since the house. Like, I think I came one time when we moved into the house, and that's it. So I am so excited to have like a little walk around. I got my Beats. I left my big Beats at home. I didn't anticipate coming to the park. So I got my Beats. I'm going to see if they're charged. And then my little Beat earbuds. I prefer the over-the-ear ones. And then if they work, great. If not, oh well, I'll just enjoy nature. And then I need to go get my nails done. And then I'm back home. I think hubby and I are going to get groceries. And then I told y'all probably around 3 or 4, we're going to head to the Domain. So I'll see y'all in a little while. Good morning, y'all. Finished my walk and heading to the nail salon. Don't know if I'm gonna do red again or something else, but heading to the nail salon. Nails are done. Went with this really pretty like dark plum color. I love it. Hey y'all. I am currently getting ready for the festivities I told y'all about. Oh, the angle is weird. But let me see if I can. Oops. But yeah, I am quickly doing my everyday makeup routine, which is I put this kind of the area here where I have some blemishes, like there I had a bump, so I put that there, and then I go in with this e.l.f. concealer, and that's it. And then I powder, blush, and fill in my eyebrows. That's the makeup routine. So it's a 5-minute makeup routine, but it works. And like I said, if I want to do a little bit more, I add a lash. That's it. So just kind of come in with your base, and then I've been using the same blush for years. I don't even know if I can see it. Raisin from MAC. Okay, so we did foundation, concealer, powder, blush. Now let's color in our Let's do our eyebrows. I use this Revlon, Revlon Color Stay Brown Pencil. It's my favorite. I'm gonna have to look over here so I can do it, but I haven't had my eyebrows arched in probably a year and a half, maybe 2 years. I just kind of fill in and call it good. That's it. One is done. Takes me literally 30 seconds. I follow, what's her name? Pockets and Bowls on YouTube. And she's the one that kind of taught me how to do my brows. She just said, you just follow the line. Don't try to create, redraw, redo. I just follow the line. And just keep it there, fill in a smidge, and that's it. You have a little extra, or use the spoolie that comes with this, and you just kind of keep that in line. Next, my MAC mascara, because you need mascara. And I don't feel like wearing lashes today, so. While we're at this mall, I need to buy more mascara because this is getting down to the wire. It's been some months, which is not good. But I definitely didn't feel like putting on falsies, so. I'll check back in with y'all. Let me figure out what lip I'm gonna do. I kind of want to do something similar to my nails. So let's get no makeup look. So color correct if you have a blemish like I do. I had a few, so I put my color correction concealer to get it all in with the brush, with your fingers. Powder, blush, do your eyebrows, do some mascara, and put on the lip. 5 to 10 minutes and you're out the door. So now I'm just gonna sit and watch movies and for a little while, and then we'll leave probably in like an hour or so.
Round
So we are here and enjoying the vibe and the ambiance, but we are trying to figure out where we want to eat. We're in the middle of multiple different restaurants. We need to figure out where we want to eat. So there's a lot of different restaurants in here. And so we're trying to figure out which one we want to eat at. There's a few around the corner. Some of our staples are behind us. So just trying to figure out where we want to eat. Just finished dinner, waiting for hubby to come out. He's in the restroom.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
So we had a wonderful date night. As I said, we came to one of our more luxurious malls, drove around and saw all the beautiful decor. And then we parked and just walked around, found some food and enjoyed it. And then we made our way to a few different stores. And our last store was CB2. Y'all, I'm always weird about this store because I never love how the furniture is. But we like to stop in to see if our minds maybe changed, but it didn't. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed our date night, and I will see y'all in my next one.